Go.
So this video is to show you how to install a flag with a couple of suggestions on the best way to do things. The cleat, if you notice, has a round tube welded to a square tube, and ideally that should be the support. You would want to set this in at an angle like this. It's better than doing it like so or like that. This way it gives the maximum support to the actual flag. You can use the flagpole to help you install the cleat into the ground. Now we want to put it in at an angle, and basically if the ground is soft, all you need to do is push and you're done. We'll put it at an angle like this so that when you unfurl the flag, it's always displayed in a draped fashion, as opposed to like this when it can just sort of hang and not really be very effective. So this would be the ideal scenario. Now occasionally you might have a situation where the ground is quite hard, and what I would suggest in that instance is you get yourself a substantial hammer with a good sturdy piece of wood. Don't hit the cleat directly with the hammer. Put the wood here and pound it with your hammer. The cleat does not need to go into the ground all the way. Sometimes just halfway is adequate to support the flag. And that's all you need to know about how to plant a flag.